Welcome people to our newest Tiago's Tips. It's an outdoor play kit. Tiago's Tips. There's a rocket launcher, a parachute, and a plate. So, this is how I open it up. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, this looks little. I think there's one. Oh, aha! You're gonna love it. And it's a big surprise. Okay? Wow, bigger than I thought, kid. What's this? Oh, these are the parachutes. See? A green one, a yellow one, and an orange one. Oh, I forgot blue. So this is the rocket launcher. The rocket launcher. This is the playing parts. And these are the parts. So let's see. Let's see what's inside. Let's see the pieces. Okay, these pieces. This is the big tank and how you shoot it off like this. So you step on it like this, and then it launches to the air. Through this tube, you put a rocket in the tube. And then you put this straight in. I think so. All right, let's try this rocket launcher first. Now let's put this plate together.
Yeah, just keep pushing it in.
Until it gets to like that thing, right?
Yeah, that little spot, right?
That little spot.
Don't pull it too hard, right?
Okay, now let's try the airplane. Now let's try the parachute. I stuck it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.